What is blockchain technology? The blockchain is best described as a decentralized, distributed ledger that records the provenance of a digital asset. The perfect tool for industries such as payments, cybersecurity and healthcare is the inherent design of the blockchain, which means that you can't modify it. Blockchain technology is a very promising and revolutionary technology because it reduces the risk of fraud, eliminates the need for middlemen, and helps bring transparency in a scalable way for myriad uses. Blockchain consists of three important concepts: blocks, nodes and miners. Blocks. The data in the block is one of the basic elements of a chain of blocks. When a block is created, a nonce is generated and a block is generated with a 256-bit number wedded to it. It must start with a number of zeros that are very small. When the first block of a chain is created, a nonce can be generated. Unless it is mined, the data in the block is considered signed and forever tied to the nonce and hash. Nodes. One of the most important concepts in blockchain technology is decentralization. There are no central computers controlling the Bitcoin blockchain. When nodes are added to a blockchain, they become part of the network by maintaining copies of the blockchain. This lets the blockchain function properly. Miners. Miners are the ones who create new blocks on the chain by using a process called mining. In a blockchain, every block has its own unique nodes and hash, but also references the hash of the previous block in the chain, so mining a block isn't easy, especially on large chains. You need to get some really high-end software, or you can try using a GPU, graphics processing unit, to generate a solution to this problem. Because 32-bit nonces are used and the hash function is 256-bit, there are roughly 4 billion possible nonce hash combinations that must be solved to find the right one. A block is said to be verified when it is added to the blockchain. This means the miners have found the golden nonce and are ready to start making a transaction on the network. For more crypto-related stuffs, don't forget to subscribe the channel and smash that notification bell.